Hello friend, welcome back to CodeIgniter 4 tutorial. Today's topic is why we should learn CodeIgniter. Welcome back to our channel Amit Tech Inside. I am Amit. In today's video we are going to discuss a very interesting and important topic. Why should we learn CodeIgniter in today's market? With so many PHP framework out there like Cake PHP, Laravel, Gent, Framework Y, and many more framework. You might wonder why should we learn or choose CodeIgniter? Well, I'm here to answer that question based on my experience, especially for those of you who are just starting your PHP development career. But before we dive in, I have a small request. If you are new to the channel and have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. This way, you would not miss out on the amazing quality content I create for you. Now, let's get started. In our first video, we discuss the course content for this entire playlist. Today, we are going to focus on why should learn CodeIgniter. First, let's check the latest version. Here on the official CodeIgniter website, the current version is 4.5.4. The current version is 4.5.4. We will be using this version throughout the course. Even if you a new version come out, the core concept we learn will still be applicable. Let's start by analyzing the documentation and exploring why we select CodeIgniter for web development. First, simplicity and ease of learning. CodeIgniter is a fantastic PHP framework that is very simple and easy to learn. This is a major advantage for beginner. Its installation process is straightforward and its documentation is clean, neat and beginner friendly. By following the documentation, you can easily understand any function, method, helper, or library. This simplicity and ease of learning make it great choice for fresher starting their web development journey. Next point is very important. MVC architecture. Despite its simplicity, CodeIgniter follow the MVC model view controller architecture, which is essential for organized and efficient development. MVC help in separating logic from presentation, making it easier to manage and scale your projects. Learning MVC with CodeIgniter will give you a solid foundation that you can apply to other frameworks like Cake PHP, Laravel, and Gent, which also use MVC. Next, performance. When it's come to performance, CodeIgniter is known for its fast execution, unlike some other frameworks that's come with a lot of built-in functionality which can slow things down. CodeIgniter keep things lean and efficient. This make it one of the best frameworks for projects that's required fast responses time. CodeIgniter has a broad community support base, even though there are fewer projects built with a compared to other frameworks. The community is very active. There are numerous forums, tutorial and resources available online. If you run into any issue, you can easily find help through community support, making it a reliable choice for beginner. Next is flexibility. One of the standout feature of CodeIgniter is its flexibility. There are no strict CodeIgniter standard or restriction. For example, in Laravel, you need to follow a specific structure with routes, controller, and views. In CodeIgniter, you can start with simple controller, method, and views file without worrying about creating routes. This flexibility allows you to develop application quickly and efficiently. If you are new to PHP and want to build your career in PHP framework, CodeIgniter is a great choice or a great starting point. It is easy to learn and provide a solid foundation that you can build upon as you explore other frameworks. Starting with something simple will help you achieve bigger milestone more easily. I hope this video provide you with enough information on why you should learn CodeIgniter. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day. See you in the next video.